Hello guys, welcome to the New York snowstorm coverage brought to you by yours truly. Look at it. Oh my god, you can't even see. It's like, oh there you go, it's adjusted. Damn! It's pretty bad. There's a fire engine over there. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, it's way higher than I thought. Okay, let me show you an idea. Like the bin cover is like here. Here, this is the bin cover. Look how much more on top. Here's a map. Yeah, everyone, oh my gosh, everyone has to be off the roads and by 2:30. It's probably about 10 past. So we've probably got about another 10-20 minutes and everyone has to be off the roads. Unless
taxi stuck.
Oh my gosh, there's a taxi stuck. We literally we're outside the house. We haven't gone very far, but it's really deep. That's the bin that I just took off. So basically, see how deep it is. I'm gonna like step in here. I'm scared. Do you see? That's a hell of a lot of snow. I'll probably put my arm in. So for my fingertips, it's here. For my fingertips. So I don't know how many inches is that. How many inches is that, babe?
Foot.
Like a foot. So there's a lot of snow. And there's some people over there trying to come out of their driveway. Like, allow it. Just like stop it. See?
See, I'm struggling like idiots.
Oh my god, it got out. But where they're gonna go? Now it's out.
Fire department gonna come and
Everyone has to basically be off the roads at 2:30, so I think it's about that time.
It's past 2:30. Or it should be 2:30.
It is 2:48, so I'm not sure what they're trying to do really, but they've got to be off the road really. Oh well. I wanted to make some snow angels, but I know how dirty the streets are here, and I ain't too keen.
You wasn't gonna do it here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go do over there. Should we go over there?
I thought that was the point.
Let's go. We're gonna go make snow angels. We came to work out, look. Fit life, fit fam, fit forever. We jogged over there a little bit, and Matt is doing lunges. This is where I normally work out in the mornings, sometimes, and when it's not snowing, obviously. It's like a baseball, it's like a school field basically, but it's open to the public too. So I'm gonna go do snow angels over there. Yeah. Am I in a vlog? And here. When I went over there in the snow, this is how far it got. I got to about here, didn't I?
Yeah, your knees.
I got just to my knees, so it's pretty deep, and it's still snowing, which is like the crazy thing. But I'm gonna run over there and do some snow angels. Yeah?
There's snow on the lens.
I gotta get up. I can't get up. Oh.
Oh, you messed up the angel.
Oh. It's kind of there.
Well done.
I did it. That's what I wanted to do. Good morning. We're venturing out to the gym, and this is the aftermath of the storm. To see how high there's cars like buried everywhere. I mean, look at that car there. And these ones look like hearses. I got all the snows on top. So we're walking on the middle of the road because the sidewalks are like that. No one's shoveling. Like, look at that. They haven't left their house, surely.
That house is for sale, so no one lives in it.
Oh, that house is for sale. That's probably why. No shoveling going on. This is how I look. I'm a bit cold. My hands are cold.
Well, he must be.
Here's Matt.
He's got a little shirt on.
So, I'm walking the streets of BK. It's cold. But my trusty hunters are doing well. Everyone's richly out. Oh, there's a car under there. Oh, you can't even see this car, babe.
See the antenna.
And when the plow comes, it just basically shoves the snow to the side, so your car gets even more buried than it would normally be. But this is the morning after the big storm in New York City.